The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 series has generated a buzz among tech enthusiasts due to recent leaks hinting at a continuation of pricing from the previous S23 lineup. Let's dive into the specifics and explore what this revelation might mean for prospective buyers. Reliable sources have disclosed pricing information for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series, indicating that the flagship smartphones will maintain a pricing structure akin to their predecessors. This news is particularly encouraging for those worried about a significant price surge. Samsung's decision to adhere to the pricing strategy of the prior generation demonstrates its commitment to offering value for money by keeping costs consistent. By holding the line on costs, Samsung ensures that loyal customers can transition to the latest devices without facing a hefty financial burden. While the pricing remains steady, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is anticipated to introduce several enhancements and improvements, boasting a more robust processor and an upgraded camera system. Users can look forward to a superior smartphone experience without an accompanying premium price tag. Beyond the leaked pricing details, there are other factors fueling excitement around the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. The continuity in pricing is a significant advantage for consumers, complemented by the allure of enhanced features. The leaked information has sparked anticipation among tech enthusiasts, eagerly awaiting the official announcement. In summary, leaked price tags suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series will maintain a similar cost to the older S23 lineup. This consistency in pricing is a positive development for consumers concerned about potential cost hikes. With promised enhancements, the S24 series aims to deliver an upgraded smartphone experience without stretching your budget. As we eagerly await more details, stay tuned for updates on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. As always, catch you in the next video. Peace out.